All right, so my computer, my OBS OBS froze and streaming just stopped, and then I just restarted my computer. So I'm gonna open the project again. Actually, I was creating the tickets. I don't need the project right now. I may as well start it. So let's go to the directory. Oops, what? Z operation, not what? What happened there? Can set TTYPGRP operation. Okay, I don't care. Let's start the computer. Oh, I need Docker desktop, not the computer, but the oops, I typed it wrong. The program. Let's start the script to run the program. The backend and the frontend. Let's close this. Did it work? Yes, it worked. And let's go to put this side to side. Let's go to the ish. Okay, not this one. Not this one. This one. Hold on. There you go. Issues. And let's get rid of this. And then, okay, so we have this general global. This is the global issue. Firefox and NVDA, Safari and VoiceOver. Update comment, and then I think I'm not sure if I finished with this one. Let's take a look. Wait, what? Oh, hold on. Not Safari. Safari. Why did I type Safari? And then, okay, work in progress. Yeah, so let's edit this thing. Let's make it a bit larger. And then we need to clean it up a little bit, so hidden inputs don't have labels, and so they cause false wave errors. Since they are hidden anyway, it would be fine to add labels so that errors are silenced. To add labels, so that, yeah, that's correct. Tip box does not look good. Customize widget styles with brand colors. Okay, maybe I need to be a bit more specific here. No, I don't really need to. I will add skip to content link. Yes, definitely. And I probably need to do the same for the next page. Yeah, I mean, I definitely need to do the same for the next page. Definitely need to do the same for this page also. And that's it. This okay. After file upload, accessibility. Image, alt uses image. Thumbnails, images, user image file name as alt. In this case, it might be okay because the file name is probably going to be meaningful for the user. To be the most meaningful label for the user, since they uploaded the image. Due to lack of consistent support, cross-browser support. Fixed color contrast issues, sure. There is a role list, represent role list setting, not sure. Review. But this is inside API, right? API widget. The following are probably API implementation and cannot be changed. To ignore if that is the case. There is a role list, represent role, item list, item in API widget. Review whether that these roles and the way they are used make is correct. Let's say there is an element area label API dashboard. Review whether it is used properly. It is correctly used. Brand button styles. Use brand button styles for all buttons. After clicking done, uploaded files disappear from view. They should be listed above upload widget. This might be solved by a ticket. There is another ticket which I think fixes this, which is this. Let's go here. Let's actually go to the issues, and because I'm not sure, it's one of those, and I'm here waiting. I just entry point for it's basically it's this one. Yes, it's this one. So I can do issues, then the ticket number. Yeah, basically I don't need to access this. It's just this number. This may be solved by this. I abuse parentheses so much. Is there anything else? This issue needs the changes from the PR. Let's go here. Basically, it's this 1642, and and also the be branched from, be worked from, be branched from the last PR here, basically from this one, from PR. Well, not from PR, from the branch, but I think that's pretty much from PR branch. Let's call it. Let's be more correctest. So it should wait for 1642 to be merged to develop, and then develop merged to the this one. Yeah. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, not good. What happened here? Edit. Because I missed 1642. I missed a number. Date comment. Okay. That's the last PR. Yeah, correct. So last one, last ticket is this ticket over here. So let's copy this, or yeah, let's actually copy this one, new, then we'll new, wait, this is included here. I'm gonna have to edit this, and then I'm gonna click on new issue. I'm gonna product backlog item and fix issues in the annotate files page. So let's delete all this. And let's just copy this and paste it there. Okay. Let's create this one. Yep. We have this issue number, and then we put it here. Update the comment. I'm gonna access this one and close this one, and it needs, wait, not whip anymore, edit. Yes, okay, I need this part over here because it's gonna be the same. So copy this thing. This is, yeah, this is the PR. Okay. Let's put it at the very bottom because that's the same thing. Lots of missing labels. Add labels to inputs that miss them. Empty labels. What does that mean? So let's go to here. Let's also go, because I need to do the admin flow first. Admin, go here, data sets, yes, and then edit this one. Hello? Hello, this one, save. Go, well, let's cancel because I need to go back and click here, should work. Send instructions by email, then log in as user. Hold on. Huh? Here, then go here, and then yeah, let's upload some files, whatever. Okay. So dead cat is not a dead cat. It's a AI generated image. I don't know. I don't know if it's a bad image. It looks like a dead cat. Okay, so here what it says is that there are empty labels. Let's see. What empty labels? Errors, missing empty form label. There you go. Empty form label. There is an empty label here. Let's take a look at the code. Yeah, there is a wait. Yeah, there is an empty label. Right, because it doesn't have any text content. It just has an input, so it doesn't have a text. And here there is no label directly. Okay. So let's actually so this missing label. This is not missing label. Data type to inputs under data type column. Add text to empty labels under description column. Fix color contrast issues in buttons. Talking about the attributes button, and there is also maybe here, not really, okay. Delete button needs area label, so add area label to delete button, to delete file button. Attributes drawer. Yeah, the problem here is that this is not well, no, this actually may work. Yeah, this is just some text and some link. It's fine. Attributes drawer has plenty. This is not specific enough. So let's open this attributes thing. Let's do lorem. Let's do this. Let's run this thing again. Wait, what? Okay, this is so bad. Lorem at at. Yeah, this is not great. This is not great because I can't. Attributes drawer. Review only issues in. Well, why don't I do it now? Why don't I have I have an idea. Where is the drawer starting? Here. Does it trap focus? Let's see if it traps focus. It does not trap focus. Let's get rid of this thing. Because, wow, what happened here? Where is everything? Oh my god, what happened there? Just what happened there? Okay, it's another one. And okay, let's check. It does not trap focus. Drawer, attribute drawers. Drawer should trap focus like a model, I guess. Like a model. Probably, but do some research on that. I think, yeah, let's just, but it definitely, it's most likely. I'm almost 100% sure this needs to trap focus, because that doesn't make sense to, you are not seeing what has focus because it's behind. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. It does not make sense at all. This should be an H2, I guess. I think this should be treated as a model. Model. So let's do this. Focus trap. Let's check something. So here I am in the attributes, and then when I open the drawer, yeah, should focus on open. Focus should go to an element inside the drawer. Probably first input. Yeah, definitely. Likely first input. Most like, I'm like 99% sure. It should be the first input. Not the closing, but this, the name. And this should be an input group. Okay. Yeah, it should be an input group. Drawer inputs likely should they be input group? They are the only thing in the form. They are the only inputs, so I don't think they need to be an input group. They are related inputs for sure, but they are also the only inputs in the form, so they don't need an input group. Then then what else? Let's inspect let's take a look at the input for a second. So we have a label with a name with the input. That looks okay. They're inside a form. I think this whole thing is nested inside another form, which is, I don't think is good. Can forms be nested? HTML. Form element cannot be nested. No, you can have several forms and pages that should not be nested. Yeah. Yeah. Do I have authoritative resource? nest. Strictly forbidden to nest a form inside another form. Yeah. Yeah, so this is a lot of restructuring of the code. This needs to be, well, maybe not a lot. So it should not be nested. So this is the drawer, right? No, wait a second. Oh, no. It's not this one. Hold on. This is the one I'm working on. So let's close this one. Drawer contains a form, which drawer is inside a form and contains a form. So therefore, the drawer form is nested inside another form, which is not which is not allowed, which shouldn't be, which is strictly forbidden. Definitely, which is strictly forbidden. And I guess let's link to this. Can I add a link to this like this? Yeah, I can. Which is strictly forbidden. Restructure HTML so that structure code so that forms are not nested. There are other cases of nested forms. I think in here. Let's see. Let's go here. I think. No, I don't think there is a nested form here. I don't think so. I don't think I've seen a nested form somewhere, but not here. It's not here. Restructure refactor probably. Okay, what else do I have here? Let's review. Let's review. Well, first of all, fix inputs. Add label to delete button. Then we have the. Oh yeah, what I wanted to do is copy this code or copy this. I guess. There is also a wait. There are many tab. There is a tab index here, another tab index here, another tab index here. Why does it have? Why? Because we need programmatic focus on those. should be on the model also. The HTML shows three not contiguous, but one is the children, three nested div. The drawer HTML shows three nested div with tab index equal -1. Review whether this is necessary. And we're gonna do this. And I guess we can do the drawer element has role document review whether this is correct. Yeah, okay. And then I think we have that one of the tables elements. Okay, let's copy all the content of the drawer, which starts here. Let's copy outer HTML, and I want to I want to review the accessibility of an HTML code. Maybe ChatGPT can do that. Let's try. This is front-end code, so there are no secrets, everything is public. There's no problem investing it on ChatGPT. So let's do review the above code for accessibility issues. For every actual issue you have, you find you get $100. There you go. Go. Maybe it's too much code, I'm not sure. And then HTML ally. Let's see. HTML. Resume reviewer online. I guess so. Here. Wait, what? Well, I can do that also. I can go to I think let's check the accessibility tree, and let's see. There's accessibility, enable full page. Let's go to the drawer. Maybe I can do this, inspect. Okay, there you go. Is there any accessibility toolkit? Full page scan. Will this reset the page? Let's see, let's try. Okay. Sign in. With Google? Oh, browser stack. Signing with Google. Continue. Agree. Yeah, come on, move on. Let me check my blog post about accessibility. Wait, what happened here? I'm not using browser search. Sure. Team. Oh, what? No. Wait, what is this? Top team members. Blah blah blah. Join your team. Raise a request and start trial. Join start. No. Free trial. Well, this is not gonna cut it because I don't want any free trials. I'm gonna go to my blog post and let's see. It needs to be something in browser. Why is it so slow, man? Oh yeah, this is not the right link. Web dev. Oh no, come on, what is that? Sometimes this happens and I don't understand why. This kind of breaks or something. I have no idea what happens in my site sometimes. It's building something or what? Okay, this is better. And we have accessibility, post, steps to automatic testing. We have this, we have Axe, Chrome extension, Chrome's Lighthouse. None of this works. If I could use Firefox, but for some reason Firefox is broken in my computer. That's ridiculous. It's broken. Oh no, hold on. Noah from Browser Stack. Oh, this guy, man, unsubscribe. Proceed. I don't want to hear anything from Noah from Browser Stack. I get too many emails from you. Oh gosh. Yeah, so let's check. Okay, and anyway, there's gotta be a full page scan. This used to be free. Come on. I think this used to be free. There you go. Scanner and standby. 1 of 5 free pages used. Okay, I see. So here, let's say span roll head. What is this thing? Roll heading. What even is that thing? This is not. This is absolute nonsense. This is not. Why do you use this thing? This is nonsense, man. So let's go here. Attribute drawer. Use heading element instead of role heading. Yes. Let's see how did I find that here? Show them all. Required span. What is the area attribute here? Area label, yes, sure. Buttons must have discernible text. Shh. Wait, 3? Okay, this is can I save report? Yeah, sure. But what I want is to only review the drawer. only the drawer. New test. Part of the page. Selection using I want, yeah, this thing. Okay. Let's pick this one actually. Start scan. There you go. It's pretty good. Then this is the heading one. Yes. Buttons have discernible test. We are talking about there are 3. We are talking here about the trash icon. Yes. 3. But there is 2 only. Highlight. Okay, that's useful. Add button should have enough color contrast. Add button. Fix add button color contrast. As gather, wait, what is this? Name. Color contrast also. The cell name. Okay. Wait, what? Why did we move? Maybe this is too low of a color contrast. Ensure form headers have enough sufficient color contrast. and we're talking here about this 15 issues. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Content. Okay. Header and content from headers and cells of sufficient, and then table headers in data. Wait, what? Serious components. Table data cells are missing or empty. Yeah. Why don't you highlight the add text to empty table header. Okay. And okay, let's close this, and then we make sure that everything is keyboard interactive. Okay, maybe it should be more stronger focus style, because this is very light. And again, this must be focus drop. Yeah, okay. Let's see if ChatGPT returns something interesting. Missing focus indicators. Sure, contrast ratio. Form label associated influence should have labels with code or labels and input fields to make sure they are correctly associated. Descriptive button text. Yep. Hold on, which is good, but the add button just says add, which might not be descriptive enough about what it adds. Consider using more descriptive text. This is a good one. This is a good one. Add button, give more descriptive text to add button. By button, the new particle button, e.g. add attribute. Accessible notification. If there are any dynamic changes in content or state, they should be announced to screen reader. Sure. Accessible model handling. Ensure that when the model opens, focus is directed on the model. Yes, and when the model is closed, focus returns to the element when the model is closed. Yeah, exactly. When the drawer is closed, focus returns. Yes. Ensure that content behind the model is not accessible when the model is open. What? Ensure that content behind the model inert. Okay. This could I explain a bit more? What is inert? Keyboard navigation. Ensure that keyboard users can navigate through all interactive elements with the model in logical order, and they are closed. They can close the model using the keyboard. Yes. Okay. Text reader testing. The code should be tested with screen reader. Sure. Yes. Okay. Let me know what is this thing. Okay. Not supported. Oh, okay. Yeah. Focus trap within the model. Additional area hidden true is often applied to the background. Yeah. Okay. So I'm not really using this. I'm gonna trap the focus, so this is not necessary. What about the design? Add label to the lead. Okay, no, well, here, style. Buttons don't use brand colors. Buttons should use brand colors. Box with spreadsheet button has Outlook. Date it to use modern design or modern styles. But it's the same thing. we're talking about this box, which, first of all, why does it need to be so big? Why does this needs to be so big? Tip box looks wacky. Apply fix tips box styles and layout to make it more usable and readable. Avoid try to avoid that user needs to scroll horizontally. It's annoying. It's really annoying. Attribute drawer looks terrible in all possible ways. Yeah, that's not very useful. Attribute drawer. Attributes drawer. Let's see. Enhance heading title. Wait for styles. Let's actually use the class to avoid confusion. Or similar. Fix misalignment of inputs. Add and increase padding. The whole thing needs a bit more padding. Improve spacing and padding. Let's do this like this, okay. Fix misalignment of inputs. Maybe should I hide the form if there is no data? Name, value, units. Yes, I'm not sure. Let's leave it there. Use modern styling for tips box. Let's basically fix the styling. First of all, this should be a heading, I guess. And it is a heading. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. But I need to create some styles for this tips box because this looks pretty bad, really cramped, hard to read. So let's add something here. Yeah. What happens if I add a ton of attributes? That doesn't make sense. Make entire drawer scrollable, content scrollable rather than only attributes table. I think, yeah, because otherwise there is a lot of unused white space. vertical white space. I mean, this whole thing clearly needs a redesign. Yeah, that clearly needs to be fixed. And I think that is all. Well, also, yeah, there is a fix vertical alignment. This table is not properly aligned with the content. Fix. Is this box different than this one? No, it's the same color. Fix style. Oops. Fix vertical alignment of table. Yeah, okay, I think that's all. That's quite a lot of things to fix. And go here. That's pretty much all. Okay. I'm gonna take a break. Yes. I'm gonna take a break. See you later. All right, so we are back with more live coding, and I'm just created a bunch of tickets which are summarized here, and basically I must work on this one, which is gonna be so easy. I'm gonna fix it so quickly, man. So I'm gonna start working with this branch. Hold on, this is these are my notes about the project. And I'm using VS Code for my notes and a private repo in GitHub. But this is not practical for a few reasons. Well, it can be okay depending on what you're doing for this project. If you only ever need to check these nodes in your computer, then that's okay. But because you download the repo locally and then you browse it with VS Code. But if as a general note-taking system, is not great, because you're gonna want to also see your notes and most importantly search your notes from your phone, and GitHub is not great for that. So then I switched to Notion, but I would really love if there was a way to be able to edit the notes in a Notion-like user interface in your phone, and in your computer be able to still use VS Code to edit your notes. That would be the dream. And then I think that would have to be open source. There is something called Obsidian that maybe allows you to do that. And let's take a look at Obsidian. Anyway, we'll start with I'll start with the ticket in 1 second. Private, flexible writing app that adapts to the way you think. You use this thing is editor. The icon looks kind of sweet, honestly. This is an editor, a software. But I just want to use VS Code. Syncing, age per month. I like this effect a lot, this grain. It's a very easy to make website also. It has this editor, but is there an FAQ? Publish? There is no FAQ. Does it have VS Code anywhere mentioned? Let's see. Let's copy this to VS Code site. Is there VS Code anywhere? My extensions for VS Code. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's move on. Let's move on anyway. Let's go fix the tickets. This is the note-taking app, and this is a repo, and I am checked out to branch. Which is not the one I should be checked out. I need to, let me think about a moment. I need to update the alerts of a certain page. So I think, hold on. These are the PRs. It would be nice to add what these are about. maybe add this, but it's gonna be bloated. This is the email sending, and this one is this one. Okay, fair enough. So I think it should be branched from this one. So hold on. Branch order. I'm gonna restructure this a little bit. So subsequent branches, one after the other. How would I call a sequence of branches? Like just sequence. Yeah, branch sequence. Branch sequence. Let's call it whatever. Then another one, which is gonna be branch sequence. Another branch sequence. I don't know. Let's call it 1, maybe, using Roman numbers, because why not? Then I think this is this one. Yeah, so my next ticket is gonna branch from this one, because that way I minimize merge conflicts. I minimize merge conflicts. So do I need to keep this merged, not merged? Yeah, I can just check these boxes for this. Yeah, I think I can just check these boxes. Other, I don't think this is gonna have any branch sequence. So which means that these two can be merged. Well, what all that this means is reviewer. If a reviewer wants to review and merge a pull request, they need to either check this one, or this one, or this one, because to merge this one first, you have to merge this one. This should be merged in order. And this is a bit awkward, but the reason to do that is that this branch has changes that this issue and the fix for this issue, or this update, or whatever this is, has changes, and these changes are needed to work on the next issue. So I could not just branch each of those from master, because all of them require incremental changes, if it makes sense. That's why they are branched in sequence. And let's see, branched from integration PR. Let's add this here. Let's also add this thing here. Makes sense. Hold on. There you go. All right. Branch. This is branched from develop. Yeah, perfect. So I'm gonna go to this, basically this one in the repo. Out in the repo, I'm gonna go here to this branch, and I'm gonna branch from this one. I'm gonna create a branch, and this branch is gonna be named like this. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna do text to kebab to get the branch name. Let's do this. So I can do this and take this, put it in the forefront. And well, I don't need to convert anything here. This is the branch name. This is gonna be new feature. Yeah, everything is a new feature. A fix. Well, this is actually fixes, right? Because we are talking here. We are talking here about where is the... Wait, am I taking the wrong thing? Why do I have so many things open? Close this thing, close this thing. Then here we have still in admin. This is a fix. This is a fix. Wait a second. Yeah, this is a, let's just make it a fix. And let's put it here, new feature, create new branch, fix with this. There you go. So now we're looking, we have to look at the admin page, which is right here. Let's refresh to make sure everything is okay. It's not okay, so let's log in again as admin. These styles are really bad. I need to run the Chokidar thingy, and then yeah, let's run the Chokidar, and then let's open any arbitrary less file. Let's save it, which is gonna rebuild the styles, because I'm basically watching for changes in the less files. And that's, yeah, that's, I could just run this thing directly, but let's do it this way. Now if I refresh this, the styles will be fixed. Okay, perfect. Perfect. And this is working all well. A bunch of things here. Okay. Let's go to the ticket, because otherwise I don't know what to do. After clicking Dropbox button, these alert and buttons are not styled. So let's, a new Dropbox has been, I'll just trigger that programmatically. So if not, I think this will be enough. No, this is not how it works. How, if this, hold on, how does it work? How do I show? Oh my god, I don't like PHP. And this is formatting. This formatting is, there's a div here, there is another div here which ends here, there is a div, another div here, there is a start PHP code, then there is another closing div, another. This indentation doesn't make sense, but hey, let's roll with it. So here is the code, obviously, and if this is actually, how does it make sense? Have a role alert. Should this be a role alert? I wonder. We have some polite things here. Are you alive, polite? If something, this is not the thing. If something, then do this. And then render this, right? I'm missing anything? No, I'm not missing anything. Then, so how do I do the opposite of something? Like if this is true, how to make it false and vice versa in PHP. I have a PHP cheat sheet here. Logic. No, that's logic. Yeah, it's the negation operator. So let's look for exclamation marks in the code. Okay, come on. Not useful. Yeah, no, this is not useful. Not useful. PHP negation operator. Okay, this should work, right? If I do this, this should work. I get the feeling this should work. We are here, right? We use admin dataset. It's actually not here. Oh, because because I'm dumb. Because this is actually this part, this page. So I need to fix this thing. How, like, let's see. This is bad. This is really bad. This is nothing. This is not doing anything. If something, then something. Hold on. I don't want to mess things up. So I just negated that thing. Sure. Fair enough. Yeah, so this is not good. I want to first of all, why is it showing on the top of the... This is so awkward. We have a button panel with a role alert. And then we have panel header alert success. GigaDB alert, GigaDB success. What's the code for that? Success. Let me paste here some useful filters. Okay. Success. So it's gonna have an hyphen on before. Alert success. Or alert GigaDB. This is this. I'm confused. Alert, there should be a CSS file. Okay. Alert GigaDB info. Oh, GigaDB info. Merge. Maybe you should see. Maybe it should be success. I'm not sure. Alerts. Let's make it success. It should. Wait. Hold on. What happened here? Alert success. How does it work? Alert danger. Alerts. Alert success. Okay. Alert success. This is not good. What is happening here? Let's remove it from here. What is the color? Okay, what is happening here? We have a panel. Let's make it alert. Let's how is the padding done? I think it's done with container. We have a container class. Yes, we have container class. It's just that these alerts are. Do I keep it like this? These alerts are pretty bad. I think it should be constrained. Let's check for other alerts. Well, this is the same. This is the same one. We have this form with alert success, admin dataset form, admin data, so any form. Let's go here. Let's open this form and then let's do if flag success. Wait, what is happening here? If, well, just put it outside. Load them. Okay, yeah, this looks. What is going on here? This looks way better. This looks way better. Just way better. But that means that I need to change all these things. But man, I mean, div class container, then close this thing in the. Hold on. We have a script here. We have a script here. We have a form. Hidden field. How? Oh no, this is the wrong place. Sorry. This is not the right place. This should be here, I think. We have a breadcrumbs array, sure. And we have some scripts. We have then let's try to do this class container. Then close this thing, and then we have we should start the container here. Yes. Okay, so let's do this. Wow, why do you do that? Why do you do that? Then this is gonna be constrained. This is also still bad. I just don't like these alerts at all. This is how it's done. Let's check the styles guide. Yeah, so no, this is not constrained to any particular way. Wow, nice. Let's go to the reference, which is apparently it's this bootstrap theme. At least as a visual reference. And then let's maybe check alerts. Yeah, so this is full. It's kind of full width, but it's not reaching the edges of the page. Should check the demo then. We have some landings, some pages. We have an example here in the alerts. Bootstrap alerts documentation. Yeah, nope. Alert primary, secondary success, danger, warning, info, light, dark. And then, yeah, so this is completely different. These alerts are completely different. But I just don't want to change everything, all the styles now. Yeah, these alerts don't look anything. So I'm wondering if I can find one of these alerts here. What about snippets? Headers. What about alert? Just looking for alert. There's no results. In the whole documentation, alert. It's just alert. I don't think. Maybe there are not examples. There are no examples here. Let's just take a look at a couple pages. Yes, and I would expect to the alerts. Wow, this image looks so slowly. What happened here? Wow, what is going on here? What is the resolution of these images? Okay, it doesn't seem too bad. Yeah, no, it is kind of bad. It is too large. This is double the size that it needs to be. It's pretty bad. This is not inspiring me trust at all in this framework. Well, this template, I would say. Help center maybe has alerts. Yeah, no. Okay, custom client-side validation, that's nice. Block modern grids, docs, pages. What about this? Oops. I mean, this is okay. It's 404, like, this is so dumb. Let's use 404 because everybody understands. Like, if my mom lands here, this information is useless. My mom doesn't know what 404 is. Only tech people know what 404 is. Other people are used, let's say tech-savvy people are used to see the 404, which is the return. It's the response when a page is not existing on the server. Server returns 404. It's a code to indicate that the resource doesn't exist. But why should this be shown in the front end? That makes no sense at all. This is like 0 sense. Something wrong. Something wrong. The page you're looking for does not exist. Yeah, that should be that should be all the thing. That should be everything that the user sees. The page you're trying to access does not exist. This page does not exist. Go back home. That's the only thing it needs. No, this 404 is bullshit. And this is on 2001. Yeah, okay, yeah. Not great. Anyway, there is no documentation. There is no example for alerts. So I'm looking on this. Yeah, so okay, so you know what? Maybe it should be, the style of the alert should be updated because it looks really kind of old. If I go to the user, where can I see an alert? Here. I don't think I can see an alert anywhere. What happened here? Oh, yeah, okay, sure. So this is really like, if nobody complains about that, I'm not fixing it. But this is not ideal. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. We're obviously gonna have, I think, probably lots of, oh, you know what, let's try it here. This is the contact page. Lorem, let's call it Lorem. Let's go to the contact page here. Contact. Yeah, but this is how the alerts are set up, okay? This is how the alerts are set up. This is what it is. I see this is what it is. So let's just roll with it. That means remove this. That means remove everything. All the changes down here. Let's get rid of them. Let's restart this thing. So let's do this, and this is gonna be showing the alert again badly. Then we do. Let's see. We are here. So I'm gonna button panel. What classes is this even adding? Button panel is having this panel vendor prefixes less vendor is this bootstrap deprecated? Is this bootstrap? So in bootstrap there is a panel class bootstrap 3. Bootstrap 3. Why? Okay, this is a newer version of bootstrap. I know. There should be a panel, I guess. Panel, basic panel example. Panel default. Panel title. So okay, so this is supposed to be a panel then, I guess. But it's not. Panel success, I guess. Let's try to do that like this way. We have button panel. What is a button panel? Button panel. I don't see a button panel. This should be, let's say, panel success. Maybe this, and then we have a button panel here, which maybe it's adding some styles. Let's see. Button panel is adding no styles whatsoever, so I can get rid of it. Someone made it up. Delete. Why does this look so bad? Panel success, role alert, sure. Panel heading, panel body, controls. And inside the panel body you have two buttons. Button, primary. So customize, what is this thing? No, yeah, okay. Button. Let's go to the buttons here because I don't remember the classes. You have button. This is the primary, so to say. I think this should be this, and this is the secondary. Ugly names, I know, but it's what it is. Yeah, so now we should look a bit better. And then we need buttons row, probably. Buttons row. And what is the panel body doing? What is the panel body doing? We have this panel body, padding, blah blah blah. Then we okay. There's more works in the wall. If it gets really annoying, I will shut the microphone down. But usually short-lived, like a few minutes. Yeah, but I can see it being registered by the mic. So I apologize for that. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna, let's see, I guess I can do this. Looks like, does it add some padding? Buttons, hold on, buttons, row, does not have padding. Margin, it has some margin block, which is fine, I guess. Yeah, it's fine. And then we have the panel heading, panel success, panel heading, but the colors are not, what, is a panels at less? Hold on. There is a panels or less, okay. Panel heading, panel default, panel title, panel success, success hello. That is, I'm a bit confused now. Panel success, panel, okay. What is it? Panel variant, oh, what is going on here? Is this the same file? No, it is not. And this color is not the well, let's fix whatever is happening here, because first of all, let's go to the components, bootstrap, panels. This is terrible. This is terrible. Panel default, panel body, panel heading, panel body, okay, this is okay. What about the panel success, panel info, panel success? Sure. Now what I want to know is what is even happening with why is this padding destroyed? Panel heading, panel heading, padding 0. Why? Doesn't make sense. Why do you do that? Panel default, panel. Why do you panels? Why do you remove the padding on the heading? Let's exclude. There are so many. Protected views site. Okay, let's see. So dataset, files upload. Yes, okay. And then the what is this? The FAQ. That's the FAQ. It's just a lot. Panel, okay. So if I go to the FAQ page, and we have, these are all panels, right? Yeah, but because this thing has margins are gone, there is no padding that I see here. Then there is this. Okay, it's because this button padding, blah, blah, this button has its own padding, and that is defining the size of this container. But why not define a minimum? What happens if I just remove this thing? What happens if I just remove this thing from here? How does it change? Yeah, it changes too much. It changes too much. Okay, so what if I do panel heading 44? How do I do this? I could set minimum height to 44 pixels, but then we're left with the problem of the horizontal padding, which will not fix this problem. And also, let's see, we have this. This is the reason why this also looks bad. So this is a bad idea. So I'm gonna do ID accordion, we have panel group, and we have content FAQ. That's how to call this thing. Content container, content. I guess I can limit FAQ. Well, let's not call this FAQ. This is accordion. This is an ID accordion and group. Is that an accordion class? Accordion. No, there isn't. I could add an accordion class. Accordion. Save. Let's go then to the panels. And then I can do accordion panel heading. Basically can do this. Then this is fixed and this should be better looking. Yes, this looks better. And this doesn't need to be, I don't need this 0 thing here. Wait, what? Why? Oh, because it's 20 also has 0. Yeah, that's why. I need to do this and then this. Yes, little fix, little annoying thing. You don't need to specify the units if it's 0. Okay. So this should be okay now because I don't have this panel heading anywhere else. Do I want to change the color of this thing? First of all, is this accessible? Yes, it is. I just don't like too much that this green is the default bootstrap green. This is not okay. Here we have another wait, panel. There's no panel. Wonderful. There is no panel. There's no panel, even if it's a bootstrap extension, but there is no panel. No panels. No panels for me today. Yeah. Well, I mean, if I look at this, I want to maybe do panel default. Let's try panel success. Panel heading. Let's see what happens here. If I do this, it just gives me the hold on. Panel success, panel heading, changes the colors, but it's not the, so we have color, what is that? What color? Warm color, true white, color true white, background color, giga db green, hold on, giga db white color. Let's check the variables. Less to make sure it's accessible. It's basically white on color giga on white, gigadb on white, gigadb green, gigadb this one, giga green on white. This is the, I get rid of the, wait, maybe I don't get rid of the border color, and this is the wrong place, wrong thing to change. We're gonna change the background color here, and this is not right. So we have this color, which is, man, I mean, this is so bad. This border is so bad. It doesn't make sense. And this is not an alert. This is a panel. Maybe an alert. Also, this is not. Let's go to alerts. We have alert gigadb info color. Let's copy this thing. Panel heading. There you go. Now it's gonna be a bit better. Not good exactly. Let's remove this thing. I don't think this is really working too well. Let's comment it out. Let's keep this. I just don't like these colors. Oh my god, I just don't like the colors, man. The border can't really. What about this? Panel panel success. I'm just experimenting a bit here, okay? Let's copy this, let's put it here. And then we have the, let's increase this color a little bit. Still, what is happening here in the border? What is that? Is that the inner shadow or something? We have a panel success with a box shadow here. Let's get rid of this. Also this. And what is that exactly? Okay, let's enable this thing again. I think it's the outside, the bottom. We go here. Maybe on the bottom, on the top here. Adding border, bottom, top, blah, blah, blah. What is that thing on the top? This color. Background color, border, bottom. Let's get rid of this. There's a border bottom defined here. This is gotta be, I think it's pretty much defined in the panel. And it's gotta be, oh, let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of, there is a gray color there. Border, background color, exactly what is going on there. What is that color? Body color, no? Is that the header? Maybe that's the header. Maybe it's this thing, border bottom. Oh, it's that. Okay, so hold on. Let me try to add a margin top, like 5 pixels. Wait, no, that's not here, like this. And let's do panel heading, border, color, border, bottom. Yes, border width 1 pixel. Okay. This is not really working so well, so it kind of has to be muted. This color right here is not working well. Let's comment this out. Let's also comment this out. So this is better actually. Let's leave it like this. Let's leave it like this because this is just better. Let's not complicate our lives too much. I just fixed this, so these colors are okay. Maybe I should. Let me check something. We have the row, and then we have this, which apparently is from Bootstrap. So apparently the padding here is less than the content, which I guess it's fine. So let's say this is okay like this, okay? So I'm gonna create a pull request already for this, which is here. Customize after clicking Dropbox button. The alert and buttons are now not styled. So let's first of all take a capture of that thing. Let's then now do, so this is okay. This is okay. This is also, wait a second, I need to remove this, and then I save this. It is gone. So this is okay. Panel success, panel heading, header, alert success. Wait a second, this is not doing anything, I think. let's add this again, because this alert success. Alert success. Let's get rid of this class. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Let's get rid of alert success. What about this header thing? It's not doing anything either, so let's get rid of this. And we have this panel body, then we have these controls. Maybe it's using some classes. Let's see. Script. There is a script here. Dump content. Well, the fastest would be to check for the classes themselves. Header. Alert success. I can definitely remove this. Doesn't do anything. I think the header doesn't do anything either. What if I add alert success? What happens if I do this? Success. No, not good. It's messed up. I think I should order food because I'm so hungry. I'm gonna take a break soon. Let me just wrap this up. So I can just go to the... Oh, first of all, I need to push these changes. Wait, yes, this and this. So this is okay. I just need to remove this. Yes, so now the changes are that I remove that. I added, wait, a panel and panel success. Good. I have this buttons row. I added the button classes. This is okay, so this is fine. Yes. Fix style Dropbox success panel. Just refresh. Okay, it's gone obviously. Fix Dropbox success panel, sure. Then I'm gonna push these changes to the origin, and now I have a branch I can create a pull request for in my fork. So I'm gonna create a pull request for this to the upstream repo. I'm gonna go and select not this one, it's this one. I'm gonna go select this, put it here. This is ticket number 1696. Okay, let's make to do. How to test update styles of Dropbox success panel. And then I need to display this again here like this. What is going on? Not like this. Out admin. Okay, here let's create this thing. Let's refresh. Let's create a screenshot of this. Maybe, hold on, maybe a bit larger or vertically so they can see that it's how is the alignment set up, which is not great. I don't love it, but let's, I mean, I can always do it later. Handle. Okay, so let's create, any issues to do. I'm not going to do any changes in documentation. not this, not this. Okay, draft pull request. Okay, and now since we have this done, I can take a break. Actually, I can take a break. Ah, thank you. Code with Velandir. Thank you. Send you love from Thailand. Yes, this is my job. This is a client work, but it's a public repo, and everything is public, so everybody can see. Everybody can go to GitHub, and this PR is public, so it's no problem. I'm gonna take a break. Um, See you later. Okay, so let's go on a bit more. So the next thing is, okay, these alerts changing admin dataset update. These alerts changing don't have the new colors, but I think it's okay. Actually, I'm not sure this looks okay. I guess so, but it's what it is. I would have to create new designs. I just don't like. I just hate that this is full width, honestly. Like, you know, just div class container, and then at the bottom of this we add another one. Close this, and then we have this, which, well, I still don't like it because it would need margin top, but yeah, you know, something like that. Not this one, this one. It should not show this. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to this one, and then we gotta show the alert success. Is it this one? Admin dataset form. Yes, I think it is this one. Diff. Let's actually do this. Okay. And success. Save. Let's refresh. Okay. Yeah, so what it's saying here is that I could do alerts gigadb, I guess. No, hold on. Alert gigadb info. And then we'd have this. But this is to replace the info. I would need to have another style for the success state. Why does it refresh so slowly? So I think this is okay. So going back to the style guide, I have these alerts. gigadb if maybe refresh. Yeah, info warning danger success. Yeah, maybe I need to update this success message to add a border or not. I actually updated this one. Maybe I should update this one also. Let's go to the alerts. Alert danger. Alerts. Success. Now this basically is going to be the same as the alert danger. Yep, it's the same. We have to do color brands. Color. Let's try to do this like this. Color gigadb. Pam pam pam. Let's do this. That's well here. Wait, what? Alert success. What's going on here? Okay, I need to pick up my food. I'll be All right, let's go on. Yeah, I was considering whether this success message should be updated. Let's play around with this a little bit. I actually changed this. I actually changed these colors. So I would expect this to be updated. Alert, success, alert. This is nonsense. With this, alerts, danger, alert, success. Let's copy this thing just in case. Let's paste it here. Okay. They made a typo or something. Yeah. Where are the alerts? Here. This, what is going on? I added this thing to the... I am overriding basically the styles color. The color is the green one. It's definitely... This is not present. So we have 100, 400, and 900 chart there. Oh, there you go. Okay, there is obviously a problem here. But the info alert is too similar to the success alert. They are too similar. Looks a bit better, certainly. But they are too similar. Ouch. Yeah, that's the default. Yeah. Let's leave it because I'm not sure I want to change this thing. Let's just leave it. And again, we go back here. We have this. Yeah, let's leave that one. Did I clean this up? Yes, I did. Let's leave that one. We have this pull request. Let's leave a note here. Note opted to not change the styles of the success alert. Copy image. Opted to not change the styles of the success alert. This for now. Yeah. Yep. Next thing. If admin sets status to a sign box but they don't send email, user clicks uploads file and gets an error. And then we have this. Let's open this just in case I have a message. So okay, so let's go here, and this is the user I get, where is it? Where is it? This thing here? No, it's not this one. It's this. It's yes. Okay, so I should actually pick this ticket. So I should actually take this ticket, apparently. So let's pick the number. This is what? Must. Let's put this also. There's a weird smell around, like sewer, which, yeah, it means it's not a good smell. Let's copy the ticket name also. Yeah, okay. Thumbs up. I probably should not show those messages because that's internal communication and it's not public, so I'm never gonna show those messages again. Should be always off screen. Yes, because that channel is not public, so no recording. No recording that. I must be careful with that because I should never show anything that is not publicly available. So, yep, let's go to the ticket. And then it's telling me this page. Okay, yeah, I was looking for where the user, this is the admin, and then this is the user. It's just that it's not logged in. It's just not logged in. So let's log in. And then this is what it's telling me: if admin set status to assign, but they don't send email. User clips uploads file and gets an error. I see. Yeah. So I need to fix that, and I need to so if I click on submitted and save, then I go back and then I click on edit. Is this always showing me the label now? Hold on. Okay, hold on. So we have that. Now let's uncomment this. I really didn't do anything here. Okay, so now I select data pending and save. Wait, oh no, this is not what I'm doing, man. This is this thing. Save. Then I go back and I select the Dropbox, and then it shows this. Customize. Let's take a look at this. Okay, this is also not good. Yeah, so I should actually modify this model also. Let's fix it very quickly. And also, is this trapping focus? It does not trap. Oh, wait. Yeah, but it does this weird thing with the with the scrolling also. It did this weird thing with the scrolling. Customize. It's doing this weird thing with the scrolling. So let's repeat what I did with the form, because in the form I'm getting this script. It's in the bottom. Customize model. Yes, sure. I need this thing. Hold on. Trap focus. PHP. Okay. Let's put it in the bottom. And then I need here the model ID. Customize the edit instructions. This, like this. Hard-coded button that triggers the model to return focus. Okay, actually, yes. Does this happen though? Let's focus this button and then let's close the model. It happens, okay, fair enough. So, but I didn't even refresh the page, so I don't need this thing apparently. I'm gonna do this. Well, I should refresh. Hold on. To refresh. I have this, and I click here, and I click. Okay, returning focus. Perfect. Open this again. Now this is not scrolling down. Perfect. Okay. So now let's fix step by step. So this is H4, which is not good. It should be H2. Give me the money. This is H2, and the type, the class is H4. What else? Okay, this is not okay. ID. Bit better. Then we have this role document, which I'm pretty sure we don't need. Role document is for widgets. Role document is for focusable content with complex composite widgets or applications. Nope, not good. Let's see if it shows an example. Dialog. Some informational text goes here. Close. Wait. Should a dialog be wrapped in a document? I don't think so. Let's ask ChatGPT. Let's see what it says. Should a dialog be wrapped in a role document. Brr. Should a dialog brr wrapped in a role document? Let's ask the same question to Google. Should. Okay. Why are you still talking about inert? Okay. Oh, I see. I see. Yeah. Yep. Dialog labeled, sure. Dialog is described by. Area described by. Focus is managed property. Yes. When the dialog is closed. Yes. Okay. So I think let's actually copy this thing because this is all useful. Let's copy this and put it in my notes. That seems reasonable, so I like it and it makes sense. And it says that the role document. Let's search for something else. Let's role document site. Okay, zoo. VCAG. I think it's called VCAG. Yes. Not this one. Not this one. This one. I think. Document. I think there should be a list of. Should be somewhere where I can look for way area roles, not this one. Role, maybe. Oh wow. That's the same page. Ah, Okay, this is something different. Let's take this website. Role document site. Role attribute, I guess so. Role attribute conjunction schema. So like document, role document. There is no role document. Okay. Yeah, this is okay. This should be inside. I see what it's doing. It switches to reading mode. Yeah, that's the usage. That's exactly what ChatGPT said for the usage of role document. So again, so basically that means that we can delete this thing from here, because this where is it? Here. This is not this kind of model. We have this tips thing here. Let's one moment. What if I do this? Okay. So this is okay. This is fixed now. Then I need no. This is fine. This is a label. This is clicking the Save Changes button won't send the email yet. You will still need to click on Send Instructions by email to do so. Okay. This needs to be fixed also. Skip heading level. This is not good also. So these styles need to be fixed. And this is info. So I'm gonna use the same info styles here. Clicking the Save Changes. Sure. Let's stop using this thing. I click here again. Yeah, so the the padding here needs to be fixed. And why is it looking like this? I'm not sure. Because it has some weird width set to it for some reason, and it has some margins randomly set. This is so strange. Yeah, okay, let's fix this thing. Margin, it had 1 rem. 1 rem is like 16 pixels approx, something like that, very roughly speaking. And it's like looking like this because, so it has this panel success. Let's fix this indentation just a little. Let's get rid of this thing and let's go to the spacing file. So we have MB, MT. I could use MT, or I can use this indentation is all wrong. And this, what happens with this? Okay, there's some weird spacing issues here. Here there is also some spacing issues, I think. No, it's because the line is too big, I think. Okay. Let me see. This is H2. This should be H3. Yeah, right. But with the styles of H2. And then I need to add, let's say, margin bottom to model body form panel success. Basically, you can use this class, this thing like 10, not 20, but 10. This looks a bit better. This looks a bit better. Maybe this should be a bit more, should be a description here. Let's change this a little bit also. I don't like the tips title so big, so let's make it H5. And why is this not a paragraph? Why does it do these things, man? This looks much better. What about the colors? Let's see the colors. Panel, success. Okay, let's keep the colors. Let's keep the colors because this is a success color. If we want to change the success, if we want to change the success color, that would be done more generally, not in specific cases. And I think I'm gonna increase this margin a little bit more. I think this looks a bit better. Yeah, this looks a bit better, I think. And then we need to style those two buttons. So the close is gonna be, let's see what the style of the buttons here. Buttons. The close is gonna be this, and yeah. So we have this close button is. Do I need button also? Yeah, I need button. This and this, except that this does not have those. What is this even doing? What is this doing? Disabling event listener click function. Yeah, this is why my form method post action, my form submit. Yeah, this is not, this should not be a link, it should be a button. Okay, alt save changes. Yeah, no need of this, no need of this, no need of this. Okay, and then this doesn't need to be like I mean, this is fine. The thing is that here this could be a function. Then this could definitely be a function. Function submit function save instructions. Or send. Let's say send instructions, which is event. You don't need to prevent default anymore. and this thing has this save, and then basically now have this here. It could be like this, and even more, we can just comment it out, and we go to the button. We go to the button, which is this one, and we do on click this, right? Button on click on click on click equal link. Oh, I need to call this function when the on click event happens, and then I can go to the set instructions and do console.log whatever return. Okay, yeah, now I refresh, I open the console, and I click here. Wait, what happened? What? No, what? Wait, hold on, what? Send instructions, runs this, it console logs, and then returns. Maybe I forgot this, I'm not sure what happened here. I need to redo that now. I go to the last, edit, set uploading, change state. Because I can just do this, save, go here, click here. Okay, so now please don't tell me that this is not working. What? This doesn't make sense. What happened here? What am I doing wrong here? This doesn't make sense. Edit instructions. Yeah, I'm just correct. Array, admin dataset, send instructions by email. Hold on. Customize instructions. Well, I'm so confused now. Oh, sorry. Yes. God damn. This is wrong. Yes. Okay, I was doing the wrong thing. I'm dumb. I'm a dumb bus. I'm a dumb bus. I am dumb basso. Dumb basso. Let's do it again. I should click the other button. I should click go here and then have this open and then wait, what? Lorem. Click here. Send instructions is not defined. All right. Yes, because this is defined inside a scope of the document add event listener. Yep, doesn't make sense. Let's refresh this again. Go here, and then we open this, and then click here, and it's printing this thing out. Why is it adding extra spaces here? Oh yeah, I see why. No, I don't see why. Hold on. Text area, instructions. There's some weird stuff happening here. Oh yeah, that's why. Instructions, name instructions, class, form, control, rows, whatever, tab in. Why do you have this thing here? Don't need it. Class, panel, send instructions. Now this work. Send instructions event. I don't need this. Hold on, wait a second. Document query selector, edit instructions, add event listener, shown model, but function event shown. Save. They can get rid of this. And this should be save instructions. Then I'm gonna do this. Do I need to prevent the default? I don't know. If I submit like a form like this, it's called my form. Let's call it better. Instructions form. Let's make it const. And this, this is PHP, so it's okay. Const, what is happening here? Line indented correctly, expected 4 spaces. PHP is weird. Const instructions, methods, action. This is bad. Hold on. So we do this, and then oops. This, then this, and this. Right? Do I need to prevent the default thingy with this? I don't think so. Let's try again. So we have this. We open customize instructions. We put some bullshit. And then we click here. New instructions saved. Why does this look so weird? This looks so strange. Padding, border bottom. Padding is not the problem. There is a lot of margin. So alert margin bottom 20. So this isn't, yeah, it looks strange. This looks strange, to be honest. So there is an alert, and then there is a panel. And it's whatever. Looks weird. I think this panel needs more padding. I don't know why. Modal header, padding 15 pixels. Then we have panel header, padding 10, 15. That's the vertical padding and the horizontal padding. The vertical padding is less, but this layout looks definitely weird. I think well, let's leave it. Let's make a note. I will just make a note that all the alerts and panels would look better if, let's take a screen of this. Put it in the PR. Yeah, let's close this thing. PR is here, okay. Note, another note, note, notes, yeah, notes. Alerts and panels filling with full width might look a bit awkward. I think limiting width, oh my god, width might be a bit better. We usually limiting width might be a bit better. So let's put full width, and then contain width, let's say. Yeah. So the contained with would be if I apply the container class in this one. Let's see what happens if I do it. Container. Okay. And then container here also. Container. Yep. Hey, what happened? It did not. Oh, what? No. So container padding 0. Yep. Okay. And then we go in the other alerts and do also container apply. And then we also need a bit more margin top, let's say 10 pixels. Maybe 20 pixels. And then, okay, I mean, yeah, no, okay, this looks a bit better, I think. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's really awesome or great or like the ultimate design, but I think it looks reasonably better. So I'm gonna copy this container with proposal. I'm gonna take this thing and put it in the PR. Put it here. Also, I think they should be better located under the page title. Yeah, I think under the page title could be a bit better. So can I do it from here? Let's see if I can just grab of this container, grab this section. I would actually have to move this too. Can I put this thing inside like this? Actually underneath, hold on. Let's move this thing here. There you go. And let's grab this one and let's grab this one and put it underneath here. Okay, then let's remove the container from here. Let's remove the container from here. Okay, yep. Also, okay, so let's save this thing and let's go and where is it? Why is it so freaking? Yeah, let's edit this thing. Edit. Remove this image and paste this. Analyze volume might look like I think limiting width might be limiting width and putting them under the page title might be a bit better visually. Chris, would you like me to make this change across the board? But I would have to do it across the board. This let's say in the above case there are 2 items staked. In the majority of cases we will see only 1. In the majority of cases in most cases we see only 1, which would look like let's see, I can just refresh, means I can just I can actually just, come on, I can just do click this button. Is this a button or what is this thing? This is a link. Okay. This is a link, which I think it's okay. I go to the code. It's called send instructions by email. Send instructions by email. Echo link. Link? Wait, link? I don't think this should be a link. Class background, no, this should not. This should not be a link. Doesn't need to be a link. I think this is gonna be broken now. Or maybe not. No, it's not broken. Okay, perfect. So let's do lorem and then do save changes. The page refreshed. Hold on, it didn't refresh before. Why did it refresh this time? Lorem ip. Let's go close. Okay, that's refresh. Goes to the same. Ips. Let's save changes. Because there is a page refresh. Why is there a page refresh? Just opening I'm opening a model, and then hold on. Do I need to that's a problem. Submit MDN submit. MDM submit, type submit, form element submit. Submit event raiser, prevent, let's see, prevent. Form post action, and then submit, and then submit message, submit a given form, not identical to what's the difference? No submit event raised. In particular, the form some submit handler is not run. Constraint validation is not triggered. Okay, it's identical to the form submit button does not have the request submit method. Oh, is identical to activated a form submit button. Oh, this is interesting. Let's try. If I go here, wait. Oh, damn it! No, not good. Not good. I did not want to do that. Let's set this to this again. Save. Then okay, then we are here. Then go to next. No, actually, I need to click here. Then I see this. Then I see lorem. Then I save changes. Okay, same happens. then what if I change this thing like this? I think this text area should be required. Yeah, required. True, because it doesn't make sense to update the instructions. Let's refresh the page, customize instructions. Let's go here, click change. Okay, this is actually perfect. I can just close. Okay, lorem. And then again, this refreshes the page, so this is not good. So I need to figure out how to avoid this. So request submit. Let's go here. The form request submit request that the form is submitted using a specific submit button. Submitter. It refreshes the page because this is sending a post request. Okay. It's compatible with everything. It's fine. It's fully supported. How to prevent default form submit when using submit method. I think it doesn't make sense. How to prevent page. That's a problem because there is a here, so we have this thing which causes a page refresh, right? That did a lot of changes here. Let's do something. Let's stash whip. Let's stash all that. Let's refresh this. Let's click. No, let's click here. Hello. And then let's do whatever. Let's do this. Yeah, this causes a page refresh no matter what I do. If I click close, then it's okay. Okay, so git stash apply stash 0. So, sure. Yes, stash 0. Okay. I need to be, wait a second. I need to be somewhere at 3:30, so I need to check how much time it takes to reach that place. I think it's like 10 minutes. Let me check. Directions, it takes like 11 minutes. Yeah, so I'll leave at 10 minutes past 3. Yes, that's good. Well, actually 10 minutes more because I need to do something else before before leaving. I need to do some little thing. So yeah, okay. So I could there is something like last focused element here. Something here. Let me ask ChatGPT something. In a form that sends a post request, how can I prevent a page refresh? When sending a form, when sending a form that sends a post request while still sending the request. Thank you. How does that actually work? Because it's not something I had to do often. Form, my ID form, yes, sure. Yeah, okay. But it form at even listener submit. Yeah, this is not what I want to do. I don't want to do it like this. So let's do trap focus function. Trap focus. Let's see, function handle return focus. Yeah, something like that, I think. Type default. If type equal default, then handle focus the normal way. If type default type refresh. Okay, now let's say page refresh. Page refresh means page refresh by default false. If page refresh handle recover focus after page reload. Else regular recover focus. I don't feel good. Okay, so this is here I need to start the thinking process. So I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna come back later. I'm gonna stop right here. Yep. So I'm gonna end the streaming here because I'm gonna be